Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I want to share you a free USDT mining bot that pays me USDT almost every day. Yes guys, I mean every day, and it's legit. It's a mining bot, free USDT mining bot. Once you accumulate and reach 2 USDT, you can withdraw. It has level from level 1 to level 3. So let me show you how the level is. You come on this upgrade. If you want to check your level on this upgrade, as you can see, the name of the USDT mining bot is Kava 66 bot. So you can see here, this is my working hour, 20 mining 1.5 5.5. This one is the mining tools. If you want to upgrade your mining tools, daily output is 1250 cover, valid days, 324 days. Price USDT is 5,500 cover, valid for 365 days. Price 80 USDT. Let's go to mining speed upgrade. Click on the upgrade. So this way it will bring you to your P level. As you can see here, I'm in VIP 2, which is 5.5 working hour, 24 hours. Price 500 cover. You can see this is the level 3. I did not reach level 3 yet. Level 3 is mining speed 8.8 cover, 24 hours working. Price 5,000 cover. So let me show you how you can check your cover and your USDT. As me, come to see cover. Once they reach 5,000, this one, once you reach 5,000, I can upgrade it to level 3. This is my USDT 1.145 USDT. That's breakage. That's my USDT. Once I reach 2 USDT, I can withdraw 500 USDT. 500 cover is 1.14. 500 cover is 100 is 1 USDT. Yeah, guys, as you can see, this recharge, you can recharge so that you increase your mining speed, or you can recharge it and increase your mining tools. Anyone you choose, you can recharge it. This recharge, you just press on this recharge here, this one. Once you press on it, it will bring you to an interface like this. You choose BIP 20 USDT, TRC 20 USDT, TRX, BNB, anyone you choose. Just copy for example, if you choose BIP 20, you see recharge, you just copy the address. Once and once you go and make the deposit, and make the deposit, then you will now come back and press this recharge complete. Yes, once you press the recharge complete, they will send you a notification that your recharge has complete, and you will see your balance here, your recharge balance. You will see it here. What you recharge, you will see it here. It will appear here. So this one is the one you mine. This one is the cover. Once this one reach, I want it to reach 5,000, so that I'll upgrade it to VIP 3. Yes, so that I'll start making massive money. As you can see here, is staking. You can stake the USDT you have, like investing, but the minimum investing is 100 USDT. You get 300 USDT. Yes, for how many days? 10 days. The second one is 1000 USDT. For 30 days you will get 10,000 USDT. Then the third one, that's all. The second is only two. If you invest 1000 USDT, you get 10,000 USDT. Yeah, that's all for the investing. Yes, guys. So let me show you. If you want to withdraw now, for example, if you want to withdraw, if you want to exchange your cover to USDT, you see here, this way you pressed. Let me see, for example, when you press it like this, the minimum cover to convert is 500. As you can see, the minimum cover to convert is 500. Now I have 1700. When I press on done, you see this 1700 is 3.42 USDT. If I want to convert it now, I'll just press confirm. It will go to the main balance, but I don't want to convert it now. I will leave it. When you reach 5000, I will upgrade it to VIP 3 so that I'll be earning very well. So if you want to withdraw, this way you can withdraw here. If you want to withdraw your USDT, you just come here, please purchase mining tools before withdrawing, go to buy. So as you can see, you purchase mining tools before you can withdraw, but you can refer friends or do something else, then you can be able to withdraw. Yes, that's how the platform works. Yes, you can do something else. When you invite people, you can be able to withdraw. Yes, it's not only purchasing. When you invite people, you can be able to withdraw. So guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly do well. I will leave the registration link in my video description, and the invitation link, and my WhatsApp link will be in the video description. Thank you guys.